Making a 3D animation movie used to be difficult and time-consuming. You need to use a complex software, have a powerful computer, and spend a lot of time to render the final video. But now, using AI, you can create a full 3D animation movie using any computer in just a few hours. I spent just a couple of minutes creating this animated movie.
Johnny stares in awe at the breathtaking world. The film opens to a sprawling, enchanted forest, filled with vibrant flowers and towering trees. Suddenly, a small door appears on the stump, glowing with an ethereal light. Johnny carefully opens the door, revealing a tiny key resting on a velvet cushion inside.
Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about making our very own 3D animation movie in just a few seconds using AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. I'm going to divide this video into 3 parts, and for the first part, there are going to be 3 steps. And for the first step, we are going to talk about getting the story. Now, if you already have the story, you could go ahead and skip this step. But if you don't have one, you can use AI tool to get a full story for our movie. So, unless you're living under a rock, I know you have heard this tool called ChatGPT. And you could go ahead and use ChatGPT to write your script here, but I'm going to go ahead and suggest another alternative for you to go ahead and make it easier. Because ChatGPT requires the proper prompt, the proper presets, and everything else. So ChatGPT can go ahead and take your time to go ahead and get your preferred script. In this alternative that I'm going to show you right now, called Gravity Write, it will go ahead and make the process a lot easier. So once you typed out their website, just go ahead and sign in your account using your Google or any choices that you have signing up your account. Well, while you're inside right here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find filmmaking tools. Just go ahead and click on it and you will see 3 options to go ahead and click on. First, you have your film script writer, you have your image generation, and you have your trailer script. Just go ahead and click on the first option that we have, AI film script writer. After that, we are asked 4 questions. For the first one, we have the genre of the film style, duration of film, and the one-line story. Well, of course, for the first question, you could go ahead and input genre you want, but in this tutorial, we're just gonna go for fantasy. And for the film style, since we are targeting for the AI animation look, we're gonna go ahead and type 3D animation. For the third question, you have the duration of film. This is completely up to you, but for me, since this is a tutorial, I'm just gonna go for a short film, so I'm gonna go ahead and type 30 seconds. And after that, you have your one-line story. This is completely optional. If you don't have your one-line story, you could go ahead and leave this completely empty and the AI will figure it out for you. But if you have one, feel free to enter your one-line story right here. So to proceed, just go ahead and click on the blue button, create content. And as you can see, in just a few seconds, it has managed to generate us our script. So we have our title right here, a sparkling encounter, and we also have our scene, we have our script, and basically we have everything that we need. And once again, you could just go ahead and use ChatGPT if that's what you're comfortable with, but if you don't know how to prompt properly or you don't know any presets, just go ahead and use the AI tool right here called Gravity Write. Well, generating the images can be easy. You have a lot of options to use, but I'm gonna go ahead and suggest 2 applications. For the first one, you have your Leonardo AI. This is completely free. You could go ahead and use their service without any hassle. And for the second tool, we have the best of the best, which is Midjourney. But this tool is not free. You could go ahead and use Midjourney if you have the subscription to pay for it, or if you already have the subscription to use this. But if you are looking for a free alternative, Leonardo AI can generate pretty amazing results. So just go ahead and browse through their website right here, and of course you need to go ahead and sign up your account, or if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one. And once you're inside Leonardo AI, you will be presented with the recent creation of another users right here. You could go ahead and see a bunch of creations, and to go ahead and create your very own image, just go ahead and browse through the user tools and just go ahead and click on the first option that we have, which is image generation. So after that, the most important option right here that you must change is your fine-tune model. You have a bunch of fine-tune model to choose from, but in this specific tutorial, we're gonna go for 3D animation style. And before you type out your prompt, just go ahead and go back to your script right here. And for the first scene, we have Johnny stares in awe at the breathtaking world around him. So just go ahead and copy this and insert it inside your image generation tool that you have chosen. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and paste it right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and click generate. And these are the images that I've generated. You could just go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of the script right here. For example, you could go ahead and copy the second scenery and just go ahead and paste it to your chosen AI image generation tool. Once again, this step is very easy. We are going to use this tool called Runway ML. So just log into their site right here and you will be presented with their homepage. The only thing that you need to click right up here is to go ahead and click start with image right here, bring your image to life with Gen 2. So just go ahead and click on this button. And once here, the only thing that you need to do is you have to go ahead and upload your pictures. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload mine. And after that, just go ahead and click on generate. Once again, you could just go ahead and do this for all of your pictures, and this tool right here is once again completely free. So just go ahead and use this tool and do the same step for the rest of your images. And obviously, if you don't want the result right here, you could just go ahead and generate another result. So this is the first animation that I got. I do not like it, so I created another one. This is the other animation that I have. So it's not that perfect, but once again, you could just go ahead and keep generating animations until you get your preferred animation. You could just go ahead and download them by clicking on the download button right here, and that should be it. So this is completely optional once more. If you have scripts or if you have characters speaking in your story, you could just go ahead and use this tool called Lalamove. This will go ahead and sync any dialogue that you put inside your animation. It will go ahead and sync the lips, so it will make it more like the character is speaking. But if you have a storytelling type of story, you could just go ahead and completely skip this step. Just go ahead and click on upload file, upload your file, and just go ahead and type your text and it should sync in right in. And for our voiceover, we have 11 labs. So we have this script right here for the opening, and you could just go ahead and choose at any of the presets that we have right here. For example, I choose this preset right here, Lily, and I have this text. Just go ahead and click on generate and it will go ahead and generate the text for us.
The film opens to a sprawling, enchanted forest, filled with vibrant flowers and towering trees.
Just go ahead and click on download and you should be good to go. And to bring them all together, we are going to use CapCut. This tool is beginner friendly and it's really simple to use. So just go ahead and download their app inside your PC and you will be met with this right here. Once you're here, just go ahead and import everything that you have. And after that, just go ahead and sync everything towards the scene.
The film opens to a sprawling, enchanted forest.
And after syncing them towards your animation, you could also go ahead and add background musics to your film. For example, you could just go ahead and use sites like this, Pixabay, where you could go ahead and find endless amount of free copyright music. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it towards our timeline. You could just go ahead and lower down the volume by clicking on the file right here, and you could adjust it right here. You have your volume. I'm just gonna go ahead and twist on this slider, and you should be good to go. And to go ahead and export our video, you can just go ahead and click on export up here. Obviously, you could go ahead and make a longer film than I do, and you could go ahead and add another element to your film. For example, inside CapCut, there's a feature here called auto caption. By just clicking on the text, auto caption, and create caption, you will be able to create subtitles in just a click. So just go ahead and feel free to explore on any of the tools that we talked about today, and you should be able to create your very own 3D animated film. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.